Hi guys, this is my quick review about this Aero Voyager 26+20 Viper Blade set. I ordered this for my Dodge Grand Caravan. This is how I got it. As you can see, there are a lot of tapes here. I mean, this is definitely not original packaging, so it looks like I got maybe a returned item, open box, something like that. Here we have the Viper blades. I mean, they look like in good condition. I just don't know why the box was open. So here is everything what we get. So they are quite bent. This is, yeah, I don't know if this is a good thing. Of course, when it pushes it down on the window, I don't see any problem. It comes also with this protection here, which is definitely not a bad thing. And as you can see, we get really these two rubber refills. Maybe we can see this on the side, how we can remove it. It's a little bit difficult to see, but it is definitely, as you can see, it's on top of this metal, and so we can easily remove this thing if it's not working good anymore and then put on these things. So looks like it shouldn't be too much of a problem, so I'm trying to mount them now. By the way, they come also with this instructions manual. I hope it's focusing. Then you can see that how it works. I think it's not too difficult. Here even some contact information if you have some problems. So it looks like to open, we have to squeeze it here and then we can open that. It's definitely no problem. And then we can push the mount through here, secure it, and then push it down to secure everything.
And so here is how to remove the old Viper blades. We have to squeeze usually them here and then push a little bit inside and turn it around, twist it a little bit and then pull it out. Usually no problem. And to insert the new Aero ones, we just squeeze again, open this flap here and then push it from the back here. But we can't secure them in this position. We have to push them a little bit here inside, so you can see, and only then we can secure and close the flap totally, and then we put it down. And then after that, of course, we have to remove the protection plastic, the green thing underneath. You can really wait till now to remove it. It's very easy to do. And then here, of course, you want to see how it works. We just spray a little bit of water and you can see how nicely this works. This is absolutely amazing. I was really blown away and I had to show this to my wife and she was also saying, yeah, this is total different thing, huge game changer. There's no smearing, there's no noise, there's absolutely nothing, just nice and clean, exactly how we want it. Absolutely perfect. So full recommendation from my side. And so I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order drive from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.